यह श्वेत पद्मासनम् यह ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिर्देवै सरावन्दिता सामं नमोऽस्तुते। जयन्ती मंगलाकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा
शिवाजी कमांडल में
त्रैलोकीतिनिरापहं
तुम रखते हो आज बजा के सुहाज का मेरा वचन निभातक हो कहा चुपे हो राजा राम जो कोई नहीं जाने दो, अपने घर को फिर आने दो। जो कोई नहीं जाने दो, अपने घर को फिर आने दो। तो दिल को तुम को
नमः शिवाय ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि
मंगलमूर्ति राम दुलारे
वराहवाय शंकराय श्री नवग्रहाय देवाय ओम नैवेद्यं प्रतिगृहीतं श्रीनवग्रहाय ओम सर्वमंगलस्थापितं देवाय गुणात्मनि 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 देवाय ओम हिरण्य मगर मगर विजंग जावसो आत्मन के पुण्य फलदाय प्रशांत पुरुषमें श्री नवग्रहाय ओम वनस्पति रसोजितं गंधाय गंधम उग्राय सर्वदेवारं धूपोयं प्रतिगृहीतं
जय पूरण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर जय पूरण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर महादेव सदा शिव शंकर है 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 जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन सदा शिव गंगाकल शोभा मस्तक में विजयति न मनोहर जूत गंगाकल शोभा मस्तक में विजयति न मनोहर जूत कति में मृग चाम सुहै रहा कर पीत त्रिशूल भयंकर है जय महादेव सदा शिव शंकर कैलाश के बीच निवास करे जनयूत निरंतर साकर है कैलाश के बीच निवास करे जनयूत निरंतर साकर है मुनि ध्यान धरे मन की जगदान सुर बिंद सती पर किंकर है जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर है जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर जय पूर्ण ब्रह्मा सनातन तू महादेव सदा शिव शंकर
क्षमा
नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै माकराय नमः शिवाय। ओंकारं बृन्दुसं नित्यं विहाया नित्ययोगिनां कामदं मोक्षदं शैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। ओम नमः संभवाय च मयो भवाय च नमः शंकराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च। ओम नमः शिवाय नमः। ओम पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमदाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो शंकर भगवान की जय। Take out your hands again. I know for a second, again, you ask him to be here. But oh Bhagavan Shri, you really want him to be here this afternoon. That you have come with all your love, all your mind, your thoughts and deeds. And you want him here to accept these offerings. Prabhu me shamane shamashe shagunam gunahina mahesh garva haranam Rana nirjita durjoya ditya puram Pranamami shivam shivakalpataram Girirajastuvanvita bhamatanum Tanunindita rajita koti vibhum Vidi Vishnu Shire Sutta Padma Jugam Pranamami Shivam Shivakalpataram Sasalanchitaranjita Sanmukhatam Kotilambita Sundara Kriti Pratam Surasai Bhalini Kritaputa Jatam Pranamami Shivam Shivakalpataram Pranamami Shivam Shivakalpataram Pranamami Shivam Shivakalpataram Om Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Prem se bolo Shankar Bhagwan ki jai. Please please first. Ahi kevalam
Guru Kripa hi kevalama Guru Kripa hi 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 kevalama
Guru Kripa hi kevalam
Guru Kripa hi kevalama Guru Kripa hi kevalama
केवलम् गुरु कृपा हि केवलम्
गुरु कृपा हि केवलम् गुरु कृपा हि केवलम्
गुरु कृपा हि केवलम्
गुरु कृपा हि केवलम्।
श्री बोलो शंकर भगवान की जय। अपने से नमः चढ़ाए। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम सर्वे कृष्णे मूर्ते नमः। चढ़ावे। नेक्स्ट नाउ। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम रुद्राय अग्नि मूर्ते नमः। ओम उग्राय वायु मूर्ते नमः। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम भीमा आकाशाय मूर्ते नमः। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम महादेवा सुमा मूर्ते नमः। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम पशुपते जगमाणा मूर्ते नमः। ओम इति गंधे पुष्पे ओम ईशाना सूर्या मूर्ते नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओमानितानि जपापार्नि जन्मन्तर्कृतानि च तानि विनाशान्ते प्रदक्षिणं प्रदे प्रदे। ओम नमः शिवाय। Open unto us. ओम नमः शिवाय। विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदं स्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निहिरं चिराकाशवाकाश वासं भजेऽहम् निराकारमूकार मूलं तुरीयं गिराज्ञानगोतीतमीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालं गुणागार संसार पारं नतोऽहं तुषार्दी संगाश गौरं गभीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभासी शरीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभासी शरीरं। प्रेम से बोलो शंकर भगवान की जय। I think at this time I'll give the Ramango again another chance and then handing over back to the Kirtan group.
जय शंकर शिव
रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम। इसके करे तब जब के जब के इसके के जब के इसके के सूर्या चंद्र के दीप जला के मिल बैठे किलते मिल बैठे किलते। यही सवारे सारे काम यही सवारे सारे काम बचले राम 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 बचले राम 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 बचले राम 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 बचले राम राम राम। मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम। मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम। मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम।
Let's all join this short kirtan, so in case you didn't get a chance to sing this afternoon, before you leave here, you have this opportunity to sing. Let's all sing our heart.
Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Ram Ram Ram
Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Ram Ram. Everybody?
Jai Hanumanta Jai Hanumanta Jai Hanumanta Jai Jai Ram
Oh, Jai Hanumanta, Jai Hanumanta, Jai Hanumanta, Jai Jai Ram.
Jai Hanumanta Jai Hanumanta Jai Hanumanta Jai Jai Ram
Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Ram Ram Ram.
Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Ram Ram Ram
Jai Sita Rama, Jai Sita Rama, Jai Sita Rama, Jai Jai Ram.
Jai Sita Rama Jai Sita Rama Jai Sita Rama Jai Jai Ram
Oh, Jai Sita Rama, Jai Sita Rama, Jai Sita Rama, Jai Jai Ram.
Jai Sita Rama Jai Sita Rama Jai Sita Rama Jai Jai Ram
Hari Narayanam, Hari Ram Ram Ram.
Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Ram Ram Ram
Jai Shiva, Jai Shiva.
Jai Shiva Shankar Jai Shiva Shankar Jai Shiva Shankar Bhola
Oh, Jai Shiva Shankar, Jai Shiva Shankar, Jai Shiva Shankar, Jai Shiva.
Jai Shiva Shankar Jai Shiva Shankar Jai Shiva Shankar Bhola
Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Narayanam, Hari Ram Ram Ram.
Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Narayanam Hari Ram Ram
Jai Durga Mata, Jai Durga Mata, Jai Durga Mata, Jai Jai Ma.
Jai Durga Mata Jai Durga
friends, I know it's getting very late, and they said it's going to be very, very cold tonight, about 50 degrees. I did not want to keep you outside to bear the pangs of this cold weather. But let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you here this afternoon, and that we join together to give thanks to Bhagwan, to God, whose grace we have been able to be gathered here this afternoon to sing praise and glory unto His name. And to our brother Das and his wife and family for cultivating these beautiful good thoughts in their mind to do puja to Bhagwan, to do prayers and a service like this, in this Kali Yuga age, in this Iron Age, and to invite all of us so that we have this opportunity to be here this afternoon. And to all of you who have got this beautiful invitation. And I know it is a busy country, busy city, you have other commitments, but yet you have chosen to come under these two beautiful trees this afternoon to sit down and sing your hearts out to Bhagwan. I want to tell you something, that you have got a very noble birth to be afforded this kind of opportunity. Many of us get invited, but we do not find time to put ourselves to puja place. Our legs refuse to take us to such places. I do not want to be too long. Again, let me apologize for my lateness. And again, it was not because of my fault, 100%. I was driving so fast to get here. I even drive through a one-way street, and I had to back up, and this guy even cursed me out too. In fact, if Paul gave me out, he wanted to fight me on the road, right, Paul? But he didn't fight me and stuff. My dear friends, we are here this afternoon for puja. And this morning I was in Bronx with my auntie Data here, and some thoughts came to my mind that why we do puja. But first of all, I want to take a few moments to tell you the things that we have just done in front here when we had singing going on and Ramayan Gold doing their bhajan and so on. We invite the 5 elements. You know, in Hindu puja, it is very scientific. Some people must have heard me saying this, but I want to repeat it because there are others here, and I want you to go with this. When people question you, you have to answer and back up yourself. We have invited the 5 elements here. We have invited Mother Earth, Prithvi Mata. We've invited Varun Devata, their holy rivers. We've invited Agni Dev with his fire. We have invited Vayu with his wind. And we have invited space. These are the 5 elements of our body. And these 5 elements, my dear friend, control the 5 senses in our body. So the 5, and if you look at this world too, this world is made up of these exact 5 elements. Earth, water, fire, air, and space. Each one of this element, however, that is found in our body, influence one of our senses. So the fireness help us to see. The waterness help us to get feelings. The earthiness and all these different elements control different sense. If you guys give me 2 minutes, you can leave, right? Just give me 2 minutes more. So when we go through all this puja, what we are doing, we are begging Bhagwan that we can be able to control the 5 elements this body is made up of. And if we are able to control the 5 elements, then automatically our senses will be able to be controlled. And so only then, when we have the 5 senses under control, only then, my dear friends, that we can pray to God. Otherwise, we can't pray to God. So that's the puja part we have done. And I would not keep you long. The thing is, if we do puja like this, and we do not believe in what we are doing, we are wasting our time. And I was saying the same thing this morning. In fact, belief is such a great thing. If you believe in something, it can happen. If we do not believe, it will never happen. We can do puja every single day, and we will not see the fruits out of it. But if we can do puja only one time maybe, we can realize the fruits out of it. I want to tell you 2 little stories, 2 very short stories too, on belief. This lady, she was illiterate. Illiteracy means she did not know how to read or write. She had a son who was very, very sick. She took the son to the doctor. The doctor gave her a prescription and said, you must give him to drink this after supper. The lady came home and she took the prescription and she believed in this doctor. Was one of the best doctors in that neighborhood. She took the prescription home, she gave the child supper, she folded the paper very, very fine, and then she gave the child a drink and gave him water also. The child was very, very sick. The next morning, the child wake up and this child was whole again. This child was completely rid of the illness he had. I think this happened because this mother believed that this prescription, whatever this doctor give, this paper, she did not buy the medicine, just give the paper to the child was whole again. Imagine if we can believe in Bhagavan, God, what more can happen to us? Another little story to bring out belief is, this is how some of us do. Most of us, we do lip service. But service to Bhagavan must come from the heart. And this is a message I want to leave with you this afternoon, that when we do puja, it must not come from lip, it must come from Bhagavan. When we sing these beautiful bhajans that we have here, we must not sing them just because we want people to hear our voices, but we must sing them because we want to call God's name, and we are happy to call God's name. We feel excited in call God's name, and we want to be part of that. But if we only sing bhajan to see who will sing better than the other one, we are wasting our time. It's like throwing water on a duck back. You know what happens? It runs away. It's wasting time. But if you sing it, when some people sing in bhajan, you can enjoy it with them because you know it is coming from the heart. They might not be able to sing so melodious or with coordination, but because they're singing from the bottom of their hearts, we are able to enjoy it, my dear friends. This is how we do it. There's a priest. Naradji was going to see God. He was going to heaven. Naradji, he could be here, there, and everywhere. So Naradji, he was going to heaven to see God this day, and he met a priest. And the priest said, Naradji, where are you going? Naradji said, Bhaya, I'm going to see God today. You have any message to Bhagavan? And the priest said, Naradji, that I have a little message. Ask God when my turn will come, when I can see heaven. So Naradji said, that's very easy. He continued on his road, and what he met? He met a farmer plowing his rice field. And he said, Bhaya, I'm going to see God today. Do you have any message to God? And he said that, yes, you know something? Ask Bhagavan when my day will come, that I will see heaven. So Naradji got two people, got the same question, a farmer and a priest. He met God, he discussed his problems. And then he said, you know, Bhagavan, I met this priest and he asked me the same question. And this laborer too, he asked me the same question. When will they see heaven? When will their turn be to receive heaven? And God smiled. He said, Naradji, go back to them and tell both of them that when you tell me, when you ask me this question, that this is what I was doing. I was passing an elephant through the eyes of a needle. So Naradji said, but Bhagavan, this is not an answer. He said, no, no, no. You go back and tell them, and when you tell them, you get the answer. So Naradji went back to earth, and he was worried, a little worried too. What kind of answer that Bhagavan give me here today? But he believes in God, and he will get his answer. So he went down to earth to get his answer. He went to the priest first. And he said, Bhaya, I went to God. He said, oh my gosh, when am I going to go to heaven then? You see God. You should know this. He said, yes, but when I was asking Bhagavan this question, when you will see heaven, you know what he was doing? He was passing an elephant through the eyes of a needle. And the priest laughed. He said, Narad, are you crazy? How can an elephant pass through the eyes of a needle? He said, Bhagavan was doing that. He said, Bhagavan can't do that. That's impossible. Scientific, earthly, everything, impossible. Elephant can't pass through the eyes of a needle. And Narad said, well, this would happen. So Narad went to the farmer now. He was under a tree like this because he was tired and he was having a little rest. When he saw Narad, he asked him question, Narad, what Bhagavan told you about me now? And he said, you know something, farmer? When I told Bhagavan this thing, he was passing this bare elephant through the eyes of a needle. And the farmer said, my gosh, he was doing that? He was passing an elephant through the eyes of a needle? God is so great. He said, God is so great. You know something? God can do miraculous things. God can do anything. He said, you know something, Narad? Look at this big tree we have here. You know, this tree was a little seed like this. And this seed grew, and it became this big tree that all of us can shade under today. My dear friends, who will go to heaven first? Who will go to heaven first? What happened to all of us? We are like a priest. We believe that God is like us. And some of the priests too, we believe that what happened to us? We want to be like God now too. So we cannot understand, because we cannot pass an elephant through the eyes of a needle. So we believe that God can do this too. But let me tell you this, that Bhagavan, God is limitless. And man is limited. There are certain things that we can do, up to so far we can go. Beyond that, we cannot do. But Bhagavan, he can do anything. If we do his Jhandi and say, look, Bhagwan, Bhai Das, he sung here today and say, look, I'm doing this Jhandi because I live in this house and I want me and my wife and family live happily ever after. And there must be health in this house and wealth in this house and everything must be happy in this house. It will happen, my dear friends. But you have to come here to believe. So, my dear friends, whenever we go to places like puja places, we go to our mandirs, we do puja like this, we ought to come with belief. If we don't have belief of Bhagwan, then we are wasting your time. If I'm the priest, I don't believe in what I'm doing, I'm wasting my time too. If you have come as devotees here and not believe why you have come here, and me on the one side, we have all wasted our time. So I implore upon all of us. We sing, I see some night, we all sing bhajan. I know my brother them, they sing with all their hearts. But let us encourage that in our friends who when we go around. We sing, we must sing with feelings, we must sing with belief, we must sing because we want God to hear us sing. We want to sing for Bhagwan. We want him to enjoy our bhajans, we want him to enjoy puja. And that is my little message, my dear friends. And one last thought is that we do have a mandir. In case you're not in the mandir right now or going to a mandir, we do have mandir at Hillside Avenue and Hollis Court Boulevard. We have services every morning from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Sunday morning. I said Sunday morning? Oh, Sunday morning. I'm getting taken away now. Every Sunday morning from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Only one day a week where we can thank God for keeping us safe during the week and ask God to...
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश लोक उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बलधाम अंजनी पुत्र कानन कुंडल कुलचित केशा आता जवान गजा विराजे काले उचरित सुनिवे को रसिया मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिया दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लायक जीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए रघुपति की बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत भाई सहस्र बदन तुम्हारो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे संकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद समेत अहिसा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल कहाते कवि ओबित कवि सकल कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुम्हारो मन प्रभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहा संयोजन पर भानो लीलकारी मधुर पद जानो प्रभु मुद्रिका नीलमुख माई जलनी नल गए असर जनाई दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुग्रालो ग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम द्वारे तुम्हारे सवारे हो तनवाज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुगल है तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहो को डरना आपन तेज संभालो आपे तीनों लोक हाथ के कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन तम वचन ध्यान जो लावे तब पर राम तपस्वी राजा जिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे शाश्वत जीवन फल पावे चारों युग पर ताप तुम्हारा है पर तेरी जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम्हारे सवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्टसिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असबर जी जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंतकाल रघुपति पुर जाए जहाँ जन्म हरि बात कहाए और देवता चितना करही हनुमत से सर्व सुख करही संकट हरे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव जो करी बंदी महासुख होई जो यहाँ पर हनुमान चालीसा होई दिशा की गौरीशा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा कीजय नाथ हृदय महतेरा कीजय नाथ हृदय महतेरा पवन तनय संकट हरना मंगल मूर्ति रूप
Why did I pitch out for baby? Why did I pitch out for baby?
No, there's not much picture or something, you know. Yeah, no. No, don't touch Nash.
The tape is running out.
Nash, don't. Come on.
देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव देशा महादेव 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 जय शिवा 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 शंकर जय गिरिजाधीशा जय जय करुणा सागर पशुपति जगदीश्वर जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव जता ज्योत से ऊपर सुरसरी धार चले महादेव 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 जता ज्योत से ऊपर सुरसरी धार चले गंगा कल मस्तक में मुंदर हाल गए महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव बालत्रिलोचन सुंदर कुंडल कानन में महादेव 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 बालत्रिलोचन सुंदर कुंडल कानन में भूषण नाग विराजे नाग अमर तन में जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव अंग विभूति मनोहर गौरशालील से महादेव 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 अंग विभूति मनोहर गौरशालील से करत सुल पर महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव पूर्ण ब्रह्म निरंजन निर्गुण गुणराशि महादेव 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 पूर्ण ब्रह्म निरंजन निर्गुण गुणराशि सकल जगत प्रतिपालन कारण अविनाशी जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव जय देव महादेव महादेव जय देव महादेव
for their personally for their blessings. Om Hari Om Shantakaram Bhujagashainam Paramanabhyam Suresharam Vishwararam Gaganashadrisham Meghavarnam Sugamyam Lakshmikantam Kamalanainam Yogi Piryanaganyam Bande Vishnu Bhavaiharanam Sarvalokaikanataram Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktahinam Janardhanam Yat Pujratang Mahadeva Paripurnam Tudastu me Bara 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 mangahu Harishideva Shiriram Parisaro Jayana Pavahi Bhakti Sara Satasangasya Patiramachandra ki jai Sharanam Prabhu Om Dhyau Shante Antarikshagam Shante Prithvi Shante Rapai Shante Roshadai Shante Vanaspati Shante Vishwadevai Shante Brahmai Shante Sarvagam Shante Shanti Devai Shanti Samai Shanti Hrim Om Shanti Shanti Hrim Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Galalagajam Mangalam Pundari Skasham Mangalayetano Harim. That's all. Bow down, subdue yourself to Bhagavan. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaram Guru Saksha Param Brahma Pati Ramachandra ki jai Sharanam Prabhu. As the arti and so on is going around, we'll have a few bhajans. So those who didn't have a chance to sing as yet can do so this time.
Nari, you do that.
And Bhai Das prepare bhojan for everybody. Do have something to eat before you leave, because if you leave here without eating today, you miss out a great deal of blessings. You must partake in bhojan before you leave. Bhai Das is appealing to everyone, before you leave, do have something to eat.
तुम हम घर में तुम हो नगर How to get his foot. I will make sure you get only foot and you get the heads too.
I know.
आगे में चाहते हैं भाई